The birds with the largest beaks in the world. Let's count them from smallest to largest. Number one will surprise you. The beak of the bird of paradise measures approximately 10 centimeters. It originates from New Guinea tropical forests. Its long beak is used for feeding on fruit and small insects. Its life expectancy is 5 to 8 years. The beak of the great white heron is 15 centimeters long, and it lives in coastal and inland regions throughout most of the world. Its long beak is sharp for hunting fish. Its life expectancy is 15 to 22 years. The flamingo is the second bird with a 15-centimeter beak found in the Americas, Africa, and Asia, lakes and wetlands. Its beak is curved for filtering food from the water. Its life expectancy is 20 to 30 years. The third bird with a 15-centimeter beak is the Abdim's stork, found in sub-Saharan Africa. Its beak is sharp for capturing small invertebrates. Its life expectancy is 20 to 25 years. The fourth bird with a 15-centimeter beak is the frigate bird, found in tropical ocean regions around the world. Its beak is long and thin at the tip, ideal for catching fish while flying. Its life expectancy is 25 to 30 years. The albatross, on the other hand, has a 20-centimeter beak and is found in the Antarctic Ocean and South Pacific. Its long beak makes it specialized in catching fish and squid on the high seas. Its life expectancy is up to 50 years. The toko toucan is the second bird with a 20-centimeter beak found in South America, tropical forests. Its beak is large and colorful, used for temperature control and fruit feeding. Its life expectancy is 15 to 25 years. Our third bird with a 20-centimeter beak is the white stork, found in Europe and Africa, wetlands. Its straight, sharp beak is ideal for catching small fish and amphibians. Its life expectancy is 25 to 30 years. And the fourth bird with a 20-centimeter beak is the ibis, found in Africa and the Americas, swamps and grasslands. Its beak is curved for searching for food in mud. Its life expectancy is 16 to 20 years. The spoonbill has a beak measuring about 23 centimeters and is found in the marshy regions of South America and Australia. Its beak is shaped like a spoon, so it can feed on fish and insects. Their life expectancy is 10 to 15 years. And now the jabiru, with a 30-centimeter beak, found in Central and South America, wetlands. Its large black beak is used to capture prey in the water. Its life expectancy is 30 to 35 years. Another bird with an enormous beak is the African marabou, with a 35-centimeter beak, found in sub-Saharan Africa, savannas, and swamps. Its beak is long and robust, used for scavenging carrion. Its life expectancy is 25 to 30 years. Another record holder is the African hornbill, with a 40-centimeter beak, found in Africa and Asia, tropical forests. Its enormous beak is curved, used for descent and breaking open fruit. Its life expectancy is 30 to 40 years. And the winner of the list is the white pelican, with a 47-centimeter bill, found in coastal and inland regions of the northern hemisphere. Its bill has a pouch that helps it catch fish. Its life expectancy is 10 to 25 years. Thanks for watching until the end. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell. Which of these birds surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Until next time.